Hi, welcome to Copycat. Subscribe to Copycat channel and click bell icon below. Today we are going to try virtual control on flight game. Install module Mediapipe. Working mechanism. First we gonna detect 21 hand landmarks using Mediapipe framework. In that we gonna use only the wrist coordinates, using them find the midpoint between the detected wrist coordinates. Next, using the wrist coordinates, find the new coordinates which are on the line drawn between them using line and circle equation with certain radius. By using the new coordinates, a virtual controller is drawn on the image using CV2 ellipse and line functions. In this we are dividing the frame into 9 portions based on the midpoint position on frame. The program sends an input to the game. In this virtual controller we designed 11 inputs. 9 are based on the midpoint position on the frame and 2 by making hand movements like turning steering wheel. If and only if the 2 hands detected on the frame under wrist points are detected by Mediapipe framework, the virtual steering is drawn on the frame and sends input to the game. Install BlueStack. Find link in description below. Install Takeoff Flight Simulator. Open Takeoff Flight Simulator. Run the code. Open the game.
It is working.
Come to bargain.
What do you want?
Subscribe to Copycat channel and click the icon below.